Before you create an order, you might want to compare prices. That's what RFQs are for. Add the items you need, select a supplier, set a response deadline and send it out. The supplier gets a professional PDF with your requirements. Need quotes from multiple vendors? Create one RFQ per supplier, each with its own tracking number and timeline. When a response comes in, review the quoted prices against your existing data. Happy with the offer? Click Convert to PO, and a purchase order is created automatically with the supplier's quoted prices. And here's the automation angle. If you're using entity emails from us, outgoing RFQs include a machine-readable block. When a supplier replies with its pricing in a structured format, the system auto-parses it, extracts prices, compare them with existing data, and can even auto-accept and create a PO. That's B2B automation built right in with the entity email automation system.